praying mantis. I don't know about you guys, but this is like one of my favorite all-time things in the whole world. These guys are just so cool, and this guy is just massive. See if he'll get on my hand here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, he is so neat. I don't think I've ever seen one this big before. He's just awesome. I've always loved praying mantises, but I always find them when they're about like an inch big. And this guy, look at, you can see how big he is compared to my hand. He is just absolutely massive. Oh my gosh. What's up, buddy? We just found him. Actually, he was just walking along here. Thought I'd do a quick video on him for those of you who like praying mantises.